bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch him surfing at Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Australia, Caribbean, all over and down Bohemian Way. Everybody's gone surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. Hang your knees and walk Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sun, Redondo Beach and LA, all over La Jolla, at Waimea Bay.
I'm doing a bottom turn. I'm gonna get into the under the curtain.
Oh my god. This is too fancy. Too fancy for this video. It's a big wave. Oh my gosh. There's sharks in the water and I have no idea. Oh, lost. Done. Perfect. Yeah, oh totally. Eye contact with it. Oh, so no, dude, no. Oh my beach party, everybody! Oh my gosh, it's a 1950s beach party with Elvis. Yeah. Nice. Okay, keep going. I like that they just fly over her head. There's just fish. There's just like that surfing pose that people do like this. It's like 15 seconds.
15 seconds is a long time.
You got. Oh yeah, we lost one.
Fail!
And done.